An adventure takes us to the Peacock Pit. They're all letting me know that I'm on break again because I took more breaks than anybody so far. I'm not gonna lie, office life is paying its price right now. Peacock Pit got overgrown with mega grass due to lack of use because somebody was lost in the Sierras for too many months at a time. So to get it back in action, Mr. Weir said we could come over and do some yard work. I tried to use a shovel and I hurt my hand and I ran out of breath, so I'm on wheelbarrow duty. I just drive the wheelbarrow around and pick up piles of dirt and I dump it over there. It's about all I can handle. Well, they're letting us know that I'm slacking because I haven't gotten to many of the piles. Bunch of jerks. All right, they're getting mad because I turned the music down. I better turn the music back up so they can get back to work. Go out here and wheelbarrow it up. Dude, for fast forward footage. Yes, sir. I'll be right there, sir. That was a terrible wheelbarrowing. It's a moment of choice victory right there when two sections touch. Hey, nice shirt.
You like that one?
Is my GoPro going? Because I know it's going when he gives me the finger. It used to be pretty much all grass, very thick, nasty grass. And after we started about 9:30, about 12:30 now, and all these nerds over here helped make the magic happen. I mostly raked and walked around doing nothing. These people over here, they don't have office jobs and they're physically fit. That's Nerd Central. But Peacock Pit is ready. I ran the Xmaxx a little bit. It's cooling off. Gonna run it again. It's rad. Vlog live. This is 6S. It's a Max 5 or Max 6 speed control and the 1100 kV motor. No, the 1650 kV motor, the little one.
It still flows good, huh?
Yeah.
Filming?
A little bit. This needs a sway bar so bad. Ooh. Danger. That was almost a game ender, I think. Oh. Sorry, goat. I did some super sweet videoing with the lens cap on, so whatever I just told everybody about, you didn't get to see it, but I drove a monster truck, some more, it was awesome. We had lunch. Susie made us a gourmet lunch. The best part about hanging out at the Peacock Pit is they always feed you. Rich and the goat are out here making more magic on the track. We're gonna try to run some hot laps here in a bit. As soon as I turn the camera on, he drives for crap. He's out here ripping a bunch of laps like a boss, and then terrible kicks in. I think he just hit me. I've gone and ripped around. We did mega RC battles and they had the lens caps. So camera's rolling. It's actually on. Lens cap's not on. Hopefully I don't break the truck right away. Dude, I did backflips. I was ripping it through the grass. All sorts of radness. The lens cap on. There was even battling with RC trucks that were racing. Terrible. We're gonna have a fire later. So I'm gonna take it easy, do like some half throttling around, try to churn the track a bit, and keep these batteries alive. These are 50C3 cells that basically get all hot, they sap out, they do lipo cutoff and all sorts of goofy things if you run them real hard. So I've been trying to like go a little easy in the beginning and then rip on it. Once the packs get like a little bit of temperature in them, they run a little better, and then once you get past like maybe 3/4, it gets real sensitive to full throttles. But it's just not enough C rating and maybe not enough plug. There's XT90s, but the batteries are some cheap fake plugs. They're not the real XTs. So I'm gonna try to get some battery upgrades soon. I have some 4 cells for an 8S setup, but this thing's a beast on 6S. So I don't know that I can handle 8S. Oh god. That was bad. That was a little more than half throttling. I think I was blipping the full throttles in places. I got a little excited. I'm gonna back her down again. With some full throttling. But this is the 4987 motor, 1650, and like I said, on some pretty weak 50C3Ss. They're 5200 milliamps, so maybe some more milliamp, but definitely higher C rating would make this thing a little more ripper. Kind of taking it easy, but like if you get after it, it'll just sap the packs out. They get real hot. It doesn't seem like it's good for them. This thing's got mad power. Look at that. Woo! Ah. You can almost self-right this thing, like full throttle and hit the brakes and full throttle, get up on the nose. Super bad for it. Oh, the wheel's loose. I can see a loose wheel. I left the wrench close. See, left rear is loose. That's bad. If you see a loose wheel, you gotta tighten that. Otherwise, you blow up the hex on the truck or the wheel right away, or worse. I don't have my 17 mil width, but we got this giant monkey wrench. And then, well, I'll check the rest of it. Not usually. There's a crew of people our age that have this much fun. They'd be hanging out with us. Oh God. I broke the wall a little bit. I'm getting real bad timing. You see that? A lot. Sock. The shoes untied. Sorry, truck. That was too much fun. Lame 5200s did, give or take, probably 10 minutes, if I had to guess, of mediocre bashing, and they're probably not really dead. They might have just sapped out. But, I mean, that's tracking with your Xmaxx. Good times. I can see now why people have huge batteries. I mean, these things don't even fill up. That is a good time. These things are nice and toasty. Hand warmers. Here, let's put it on the charger and see what it looks like. So that one's hot out the truck. And it starts charging at 3.3, 3.4 per cell. So pretty dead. Use it all. Xmaxx.